You searched how to buy shares of ORGN Materials, Inc. ORGN Materials develops renewable, biomass-based materials and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker ORGN. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and you will need to add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ORGN to find ORGN Materials, Inc. Check the search results carefully to locate the correct listing. Open the stock page to view basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. Tap Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to allocate, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order will execute when trading resumes. If you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to deposit before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order fills. For the example link, check the description below.